Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is 5G capable and unlocked. That matters because hardware limits access. Once done, update the OS and carrier settings so the phone recognizes VI's 5G profile. Insert the VI SIM in the primary slot or activate the eSIM, then enable mobile data. Make sure the APN matches VI defaults. If it does not, enter the provided APN values. These steps ensure the network can authenticate you and hand your device to 5G cells. You now set the network mode to allow 5G. Go to Mobile Network Settings and pick 5G/4G/3G Auto so the phone can fall back when needed. If you still don't see 5G, manually search networks and select VI to force re-registration. This helps when the phone sticks to a previous operator. Once chosen, restart the device to apply the change. That triggers fresh registration with local 5G cells and ensures your SIM negotiates the correct band and NR settings. You finish by verifying 5G access with a speed test. Test near a window or outdoors where signal is stronger because building attenuation affects wave and midband coverage. Make sure VO LTE is enabled so calls remain stable on 5G and install any carrier profile updates. If you don't get 5G, reset network settings to clear old configs. This often solves registration issues. If problems persist, contact VI support with your MA and SIM details so they can provision 5G.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.